I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a YouTube channel and to generate endless video ideas for that YouTube channel around the niche that you created your channel for. ChatGPT is an AI tool. It's vital to give it the right prompts for you to get the information that you want. I'm going to show you the prompts or questions that I use to generate ideas for my channel, and that could help you to create your own channel as well and generate ideas. You're going to see that just by using ChatGPT, all you would have to do is copy and paste the information into YouTube to create your channel. Don't overthink it. Let's go into my computer and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, guys, so the first thing you want to do is to log into ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, all you need is an email address to create an account. And then you'll get an email from ChatGPT to verify your email address, and then you're ready to go. Once you log into ChatGPT, this is the screen that you will see. I have a Chrome extension called AIPRM on here on ChatGPT. When you log into ChatGPT, you'll see this bottom part, but you wouldn't see this top part because this part is just my Chrome extension. I'm a writer, so I use this sometimes to help me with the prompts. For you to create your YouTube channel, here is where you would type in your prompts. Okay? On the left-hand side, you have a new chat. You can do search chat if you have, created other chats. Once you start creating chats, you can search your chats for whatever you're looking for, whatever is in the archives, right? You have over here, you can close the sidebar so that you have a wider workspace. You can upgrade to a paid plan. I have the free plan of ChatGPT. And then this is just my AIPRM Chrome extension, which is a good extension to use as well. We're not going to use that today. We're just going to write in our prompts, okay? So here you're going to click, and this is where you're going to write in your prompts. You can choose your language, just so you know. I have English, but as you can see, there are many languages here for you to choose from. You can choose the tone, and I just use the default. So to create your YouTube channel, this is the prompt that I would suggest that you can use, and feel free to use this one. I want to create a YouTube channel to help people over 40 overcome their fear of using AI. Please give me 3 SEO channel name options, a channel description, hashtags, tags, the YouTube category, and the niche for this channel. Okay, so once you've done that, you can either click enter on your keyboard or you can click this upward arrow here, and then ChatGPT will go to work. And this is ChatGPT generating the information that you prompted it or requested. Okay, so we just scroll up a little, and it says, here's a complete plan for your YouTube channel. Your SEO channel name options, AI Confidence Hub, AI Simplified Over 40, Fearless AI Journey. Okay. The channel description that ChatGPT suggests is, welcome to, let's say you name it Fearless AI Journey. Welcome to Fearless AI Journey. This channel is dedicated to empowering people over 40 to overcome their fear of AI and embrace its possibilities. Through simple tutorials, relatable examples, and practical advice, we make artificial intelligence accessible, fun, and useful. Discover how AI can improve your everyday life, boost your confidence, and help you to stay ahead in the tech-driven world. Subscribe now and start your fearless AI journey. So it also it gives you a call to action as well. Now you can either copy and paste and use this as is, or you can get in there and edit it however you want. But at least it gives you an idea of what you can use, or you can just use the complete thing. And like I said, just copy and paste and create your channel using just what ChatGPT gives you. The hashtags that it gives you are AI for beginners, hashtag over 40 and learning, fearless with AI confidence, learn with AI, technology made simple, all for all, or AI for all, sorry, AI for everyday, overcoming tech fear, and AI journey. The tags that it gives you, and these are all the information that you would copy and paste into your YouTube channel, right? As you create your YouTube channel, you would see in YouTube Studio where you could copy and paste this information, okay, to optimize your channel and to create your channel. So the tags are AI for beginners, AI tutorial for over 40, and you could just read them. As you can see, it gives you a number of tags. The YouTube category that you would put it under is education. And this sometimes, you're not sure which category to put your YouTube channel in. ChatGPT is making it like super simple and straightforward for you. Here's your category, here's the information, you're done. It takes the guesswork out of it, you guys. The niche is AI education and empowerment for people over 40. And it also asks you, would you like any adjustments or additional ideas for your channel plan? Okay. But generally, this is all you need to create a YouTube channel, you guys. Don't overthink it. Get the guesswork out of it. Just use ChatGPT to start and get your channel up and running. Okay, you guys, so now that you've created your YouTube channel, let's generate some video ideas. Okay, because what's a channel without videos? So let's generate some video ideas complete with description, hashtags, tags, all of that good stuff. All right, so now to generate the topic ideas for this channel, you could use this prompt. It says, now give me 20 video topics for this channel that will encourage and help viewers over 40 overcome their fear of using AI. Once you put your prompt in or your question, you click this upward arrow again, and ChatGPT, as you can see, will go to work. If you have the square here, that means that it's generating the information that you requested. Okay, still going. Okay, and here it says, here are 20 video topic ideas for your channel. And we'll just go over a couple of them. What is AI? An easy explanation for beginners over 40. How AI can simplify your everyday life. No tech skills needed. 5 myths about AI that keep people over 40 from trying it. And here you can see, just like you requested, 20 ideas, video ideas for your channel, 20 ideas it gives you. Now, let's say you want to create a video with this title. What is AI? An easy explanation for beginners over 40. So you want to create this video. Now you're going to need a description. You're going to need thumbnail ideas. ChatGPT can help you with that. You're going to need the hashtags for this particular video. So here's how you generate that. What you can do is just highlight it, right? You're going to copy and paste it into the chat box here. And you're going to click It says, what is AI? An easy explanation for beginner over 40. So you copy and paste it here, right? And you're going to ask ChatGPT to generate for you all the information, the description, the hashtags, the tags, everything that you need to create this particular video. So the prompt that you could now write for this individual, and you could do this for all of them, for each video topic idea is, please give me an SEO description, hashtags, tags, and thumbnail design and text for a YouTube video with the title, what is AI? An easy explanation for beginners over 40. You click your arrow and ChatGPT will generate the information you requested. And here it is. It says the SEO video description would be, are you curious about artificial intelligence but feel overwhelmed by tech jargon? And you can read the whole thing. But this is it, you guys. Watch this other video about how to adjust the settings for your YouTube channel to optimize your YouTube channel. If you want to be prepared or feel prepared, this is a good way to do that. It also gives you suggested thumbnail design, right? The visual elements. It tells you the background to have a friendly, approachable AI robot illustration. And you don't have to you don't have to create your thumbnail design as suggested by ChatGPT. I use some of their information just to get ideas, but usually I just do my own thing. And you can use Canva to create your thumbnail design, right? It gives you the text also that you can put on your thumbnail and the font size to use and the font colors. And it really is comprehensive, you guys. And if you use ChatGPT, don't be afraid of AI. Don't be afraid of ChatGPT. You don't have to use it as it gives you, verbatim. You can just use it for ideas and to put your own spin on it, which is how I use it, which is how a number of people actually use ChatGPT, right? Just to make the process easier. And that's it, you guys. So now you have the tools to use ChatGPT to create your YouTube channel, to generate some awesome video ideas for your YouTube channel. And this other video will help you with the settings to optimize your YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.